So today we'll be durability testing this lawnmower engine. Let's start. Put dirt in it, you gotta feed your engines dirt. Oil change. Shitty boys, first of all. You gotta take off these caps, you know. Ooh, yummy oil. Gotta take some dirt. Put it in the oil. Sticks, you know. Rocks. Oh yeah, mix that up inside there. And you're good. Now we gotta start it up again. Alright. Oh yeah, it's very dirty. This means you gotta take some more dirt, you know? Cause these engines love dirt, you know?
One eternity later.
Alright, this is drop test. Son of a gun, it's leaking the explosive stuff. No, we good. We good. Now we gotta run it upside down. See what that does. Oh, it doesn't like that. Alright, well shoot. Let's add some good dirt to it while it's running. If we do that, it should be good. Alright. Oh, it's smoking. Smoking pretty good. I think I blew a breather vent or something. No, we good, man, we good. Throw some dirt on it, it should be fine, you know? Alright, let's try this again. Putting sand into the flywheel while it's running. That seemed like it locked up or something. Oh, did she finally lock up or something? She ain't even locked up, son of a gun. Alright, well, the next thing, we gotta drop down these pebbles into the engine while it's running. Alright, let's try that. First, we gotta do the tilt test, though. Oh, she didn't like that for some reason. No, she didn't like that. She was spitting out oil or something, man. Well, too bad. Too bad, so sad. Let's do another durability test. Run, drop it off the roof. If it still runs, I'm gonna be amazed. Come with me. Oh, what? Is it locked up? No, we good, we good, we good. So I'm gone. If it still starts up, this thing's amazing. Let's try this again. No way. Ooh, into the carburetor we go. Let's do some more. Oh, she doesn't like dirt. We'll spring the throttle wide open this time. Oh yeah. I think that clogged it this time. There's one way to find out. We'll open it up. Let's see. If she still runs, I'm gonna be amazed. Oh! It's kind of locked up. Well, let's do the drag test. Might have unlocked her. No, I'm pretty sure she's locked up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she's locked up. She ain't moving. Alright, let's go open it up. Come with me. Alright, let's see the damage. So, my stupid spark plug's in the way. Don't worry, I got a way to fix that. All broken off. You see? Gets in the way of your wrench. That's all you need to do. Now it's out of the way. Alright, let's get the engine head off. So yeah, she for sure locked up. So, let's take it off. Now I need to get those suckers. Oh man, my stupid 10 mil's missing. Son of a gun. Alright, so I found a spare 10 mil. Oh shoot, I lost it again. Hold on. Alright, let's take off this cover. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Don't sting. The bolts are a little hot, you know. Alright, here we go. Let's get the hammer. This is mine and your guys' first time seeing it. See how she looks. Oh yeah. Lots of sand in there. Lots of sand. Let's see. I know that it's... Oh, it's not too hot. Dang. No damage. Not much damage to the engine here. I want to see the cylinder walls. Alright, let me try. Oh yeah, she's barely turning over. I just barely even got it to turn. It's all that sand and crankcase. How city boys do oil changes. Alright. A little bit of scarring. But I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. Surprised there's not more damage. Alright, let's open up the bottom of this sucker. Well, I guess we're pretty good. I guess the engine case was not cracked. Oh, there's dirt. There's oil already flowing. Surprised they had any left. Alright, she's almost off. Alright, let's open up this puppy. See how bad it actually is. Alright. Oh my gosh. Why does it still have that much oil? It's supposed to be grindy. Oh, look at all the lines in it. Oh yeah. Alright. Not good. Oh shoot. Here we go. Probably very hot. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. I was expecting for worse. Oh yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah, we're good though. We good. That's how city boys do their oil changes. There's those rocks I put in it too. Surprisingly, not much is damaged, except my shaft is bent. Let's see. Oil slinger / governor. There's like nothing to it. Shoot. This puppy didn't even break. What? Nothing broke on it. No, yeah, all the teeth are still intact. Wow. Alright. See how bad the camshaft is. You son of a gun. Oh, she's probably... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My rock's probably stuck in that crankshaft somewhere. She won't want to turn anymore. So, we're going to get the camshaft out. Oh, okay. There we go. Dang, see those scar marks. And the camshaft lobes. I'm surprised none of the teeth are broken. This crap is plastic. What the heck? See, I bet I can break it with a hammer. Ready? Ready? It left the chat. It's right here. Alright. Don't hit me. Oh dang, it's super flexible. Like it bent all the way back. The heck? Let me try this again. That one sounded like it broke it. How is she not broke? Well, that camshaft does not break. Well, that's what happens when you put sand in an engine, folks. I was expecting more damage. Let's see what the tappage look like. Oh dang, not much scarring. Not too bad. Well, shall I look? Oh, there's that rock right there. Look at that. Looky there. It's right next to there. Right next to that bottom tappet. Wow. Well, shoot. Hope you enjoyed. I'll do some more durability tests on a full lawnmower. This stupid thing won't zoom out. There we go. Alright. We'll do a durability test on a whole lawnmower later. And we're going to do lawnmower stereotypes. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for more.